Namaste students, this is Seema Bhardwaj on the behalf of Maths Department. Today we are going to do Chapter 6 Linear Inequalities. Under this heading, today we will be learning some examples. We will be learning how to solve the examples and finding the solution of inequalities. Here first example I have taken for you people is solve 30x strictly less than 200 and we have to find the value of x under some conditions. Conditions are given. First condition, when x is a natural number, we have to get the answer. And second case, when x is an integer, we have to get different answers. First of all, how to solve this example? We are given that 30x is less than 200. You will learn under the rules of inequalities that we can't shift this 30 to this side. Like in equations, linear equations, we simply shift the number to the side, but in inequalities it is not allowed to shift number to the side. So what we can do is we can divide both the sides with the number. Like here it is 30, so we'll be dividing both the sides by 30. Divide both sides by 30. We will get 30x upon 30 less than, after dividing with 30 we have got 30x upon 30 strictly less than 200 upon 30. Now this 30 and 30 will get cancelled and we will be getting x strictly less than 200 upon 30. Now if we go for cancellation, 0 and 0 will get cancelled and after division we will get 20 divided by 3 will be 6.66 and so on. This is our answer of x. X has to be strictly less than this number. Now look at the conditions. First condition says x is a natural number. If you look at the natural numbers, for example I draw this number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now our number is 6.66 something, means somewhere here it will be 6.6 and so on. Now in the condition is given, we have to select our x in such a way that it is a natural number. Now natural numbers less than 6.6 will cover which are the numbers? These numbers. Will not be including 0 because 0 is a whole number. So when we have to write natural number, so x will be equal to, x can have these values. These are the natural numbers less than 6.6 and so on. In second case, when they are saying we have to select a number when x is an integer. For integers, and so on, because our case is integers, so we will have to take negative values also, but limit is that number has to be less than 6.6 and so on. So our solution set would be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1 and so on up to minus infinity. So what we have got both the answers when x was natural and when x is integer. So these are the answers of x. In next example, we have to solve the given inequality 5x minus 3 strictly less than 3x plus 1. First case when x is an integer and the second case when x is a real number. First of all, we will solve the inequality. In inequalities, we can't shift this 3 to this side. So what step can be done? You must have learned in the rules that we can add same number on both sides. In order to remove this minus 3, so we'll adding plus 3 on both the sides. So step is adding 3 on both sides. minus 3 and plus 3 will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 5x strictly less than 3x, and 1 plus 3 gives us 4. Now next step, we want to shift this 3x to this side, but we can't move it to that side. So next step would be subtracting 3x from both sides. Subtracting 3x from both sides. 5x minus 3x will give us 2x, and this 3x and 3x will get cancelled, and we are left with 4. Next step, we want to remove this 2 from both sides. So we'll be dividing both sides by 2. We'll be getting 2x upon 2 less than 4 upon 2. So what we have got is 2x and 2x got 2 and 2 got cancelled. So we got x strictly less than 2. We got the solution of x strictly less than 2. Now according to given conditions, first case x is an integer. So our solution set would be, when x is integer, solution set would be 1, 0. See, integers strictly less than 2. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on up to minus infinity. Second case, when we have to take real numbers. Real number means all the numbers less than 2. Means when x is real, the solution set would be, see, we have to take all the values. So 2 and minus means we will not be including 2. All terms leaving 2 minus 0. But we don't write it like this because we have to include in between numbers also, because numbers are real numbers. So our solution will be like this. In next example, we have to solve the given inequality. Here sign is less than or equal to. Now see, if I take LCM of 3 and 6, LCM would be 6, but we can't move this 3 to this side. So what step will be taken? Multiply both sides by 6. When we are multiplying, see, this 3 and 6 will get cancelled and 2 would be there. 2, 5 minus 2x less than or equal to. This side will be taking 6 inside. So 6 and 6 will get cancelled. We will be having x. See, when we are multiplying 6 with this term, 6 will get cancelled, but here 6 will get multiplied. So we will be having terms like this. Now opening the bracket, 10 minus 4x less than or equal to x minus 30. Now we want to shift this 10 from this side, adding 10, or we can shift this minus 4x to that side also. Means shifting means removing this 4x. For that, we can add 4x on both sides also. See, either subtract 10, add 4, whatever you want to take, you can do. Adding 4x on both sides. 10x minus 4x plus 4x less than or equal to x minus 30 plus 4x. Now this minus 4x and plus 4x will get cancelled, and we will be having 10 strictly less than. X and 4x will give us 5x minus 30. Now see, term of x is on right hand side. So we will be removing 30 from here. Removing means adding 30 on both sides. 10 plus 30 less or equal to 5x minus 30 plus 30. 40 less or equal to 5x. Now for solving x will be, moving this 5 means dividing both sides by 5. So 40 upon 5 less or equal to 5x upon 5. 8 less or equal to, what we have got? We have got x value as x greater than or equal to 8. In previous two examples, we have taken strictly less than. Here it is greater than or equal to 8 means 8 is to be included. So all the numbers which are greater than 8, 9, 10 and so on up to positive infinity. But here condition is not given. It is not told whether x is integer, real number, whatever it is. So what kind of solution set we'll be getting? We'll be writing solution set as closed kind of interval will be there, because x has to be greater than or equal to 8. So from this side also bracket will be closed on, means 8 is also included. Next example, solve 7x plus 3 is strictly less than 5x plus 9, and here we have to show the solution on number line also. First of all, solve 7x plus 3 strictly less than 5x plus 9. What step is to be taken? This 3 is to be removed. That means plus 3 is there. So opposite will be minus 3. We will be adding minus 3, or you can say subtracting 3 from both sides. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We are having 7x less than 5x. 9 minus 3 would be 6. Now this 5x should be on that side, means subtracting 5x from both sides. Our motive is to remove the step, remove the number, means opposite is to be written. Minus 5x. 2x strictly less than 5x and 5x cancelled, 6. Now 2 is to be moved, means dividing both sides by 2. So what kind of value we have obtained? This 2 and 2 got cancelled and 6 and 2 got cancelled. So we have obtained x strictly less than 3. You got the solution of x, but next is it, you have to show the solution of number line. Draw the number line. Now numbers strictly less than 3 means 3 is not to be included, means open circle will be there, and then all the terms to this side. So all the numbers on left hand side of 3 are less than 3. So this is the solution on number line. Next I have taken one word problem for you people. Here the marks obtained by a child in two terms are 62 and 48. Now what minimum marks the child should get so that overall average marks are 60. Now how do we get average marks? Let me take the marks taken in annual exam. Let marks obtained in annual exam be x. Then how do we get average? Average of marks means adding the marks. In first two exams she has got 62 and 48. In third exam we have taken, she has taken x. So average would be 62 plus 48 plus x divided by 3. We have got 110 plus x upon 3. Now, according to the condition of the question, these average marks should be minimum 60%. Minimum means at least 60%. Means marks should be more than 60. Means average marks should be greater than or equal to 60. This is the meaning of minimum. At least marks. Now we have to remove this 3. Means multiplying both sides by 3. 3 and 3 got cancelled. 110 plus x. Here equals to 180. Now 110 is to be shifted. Means subtracting 110 from both sides. Condition is greater than or equal. So x greater than or equal to 70 means what? At least in the annual exam, she should obtain 70 marks so that her average marks are 60. At least 60. So she should get 70 marks. Therefore, she should get minimum 70 marks